Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Google Home Mini. Now, if you don't know about this, well, Google Home Mini, it's such an amazing device, and I thought that I could just share with you my review. It's almost 4 years since Google Home Mini firstly launched. It was launched on 2017, around October there. So I thought that I could just give out another kind of amazing video. So, and for the first thing first, let's get started. Here, this is our Google Home Mini. Forget about the rubber band, which I kept it here. Well, sincerely, the rubber band, this box was torn apart, but the speaker is safe 100%. Now, from this side, we can open up the rubber band. Now we have the Google Home Mini here. Now let me just keep the Home Mini aside. Paperwork says let's get started. Another kind of paperwork shows you how you can just continue getting started. Be safe. Sincerely, just be safe. This is quite different outlet. As you can see, you must be careful with that before you connect it on your power source. Just you have to know which type of power source it's inputted in, so as you can just toss in your Google Home. About the Google Home Mini, well, the Google Home Mini is such an amazing kind of device which is packed in with different stuffs. Actually, this is a voice assistant which can help you out throughout your daily needs or your daily brief or stuff like that. Now, to be honest about this kind of speaker, it has only 2 ports. Actually, first thing first, it has the power source and it has a button here. Sorry for saying 2 ports, but it has the power source and it has the button for turning on the microphone and turning off the microphone. I think to my own kind of aspect, that's it about the Google Home Mini. And the size and the shape out of it looks like donut. Definitely looks like donut. And something else about it is just that it's so amazing and it's just feeling so great, and the sound out of it will be robust. So we're gonna set it up, all of us here, so as you can see how it's been set up. So connecting it to power is quite easy. You just grab it and toss it around, then it will just boot within a moment. As you can see guys, this is how it boots, and it will just give us some chimney sound.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
I'm going to tap in and open up the Google Home app. Then I'm going to just do a set up one device, but I don't want to do that because I just want to go to Home. Then I want to add a new setup one device from let me try my room because I tried last time but it never actually worked. So allow once. Google device, Google Home Mini. As you can see, Google Home Mini found. So we're gonna connect it. I hope the chimney sound will do the stuff. You can see how much the Google Home Mini changes the color, and so as it can just show you how much the connection between the Google Home Mini and the speaker. You hear the sound? Say yes. Yes, I mean proceed. Now we can say this is from my bedroom. So continue. Then it needs a Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi on your network you like to use with your Google Home Mini. So I got a little bit of a problem connecting throughout the router and Google Home, and it's a network interference, and I'm gonna fix on that. But I want you just guys to see how much the device it works. Like, hey Google,
Please log in through the Google Home app.
okay, I didn't log in on the Google Home app, but I'll share with you guys after I've logged in, not now. But I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing review, and it's such an amazing kind of Google Assistant, and it's such an amazing kind of speaker to use it on your daily kind of activity or daily kind of brief. You can control the lights, you can control the music, you can just tell it to call somebody on the phone, you can just tell it marvelous stuffs, and it does. So I think to my own kind of aspect, this is such a good and amazing tech of 2020. Since it was manufactured up to now, it is 2020, so it's almost 4 years since it was launched. And I think to my own kind of aspect, yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.